Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I do basically all clothing unboxing videos. Some of them are stylist subscription type, some of them are clothing haul, some of them are well known like Stitch Fix type videos, some of them are seems like nobody's ever heard of, but I find fun to try all sorts of new boxes. And then for clothing hauls, I've done some Old Navy, ThredUP, and I've got Wish coming up, so that's exciting. So if you are interested in these type of videos, please subscribe below. I really appreciate it. And let's get into it. If you do not know what ThredUP is, it is an online resale store. According to their website, they're the largest online resale in the world. I don't know if that's true. Is that like world's best coffee? I don't know. But it seems that they have a lot of good pieces for really cheap prices, and I just go on there sometimes and start buying all the things, and it's been a lot of fun. So today's unboxing is a ThredUP Goody box. Now, I had looked into this months ago, and every single video I had watched, people were pulling out just pure crap. It's not the quality of the clothes, it was just seemed like stuff that ThredUP had trouble selling, and so they're like, oh great, goodie box, here, take this, nobody else wants it. So I was not super interested in it, and it seems like they are kind of revamping that a little bit now. It seems like you can do some themed goodie boxes or even just a customized one. So I went with the customized goodie box. You know, I wanted a mix of work and play. And they do say a stylist is picking out these pieces, so I'm hoping this is not garbage, but we shall see. It is a huge box, which is just super exciting anytime you get a huge box, even if it is full of crap. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we've got here. Okay, first up, I see an envelope here, so let's see what is inside. I'm going to guess that it is, oh, you got your packing slip to return things, basically a description of what these goodie boxes are, and then the price sheet of everything. So we'll go over that. Basically, there's enough items in here, and this looks like a pretty long list, that I will just post up the prices as I'm trying them on so as to not overwhelm you as I sit here for 10 minutes reading off prices. Okay, let's dig in. Oh, first glance, and I'm already happy. We have a black and white polka dot blouse, a gold button at the end of them, and gold buttons going down the front here. I have been really kind of into the idea of some sort of blouse like this, so far so good. Next up, we have a very weirdly soft pair of pants. Jeans, they're just very soft. They are just normal ankle skinny jeans, just really soft, so very cute. Next, we have a pair of dress pants. They are skinny dress pants, which is what I have been looking for, and I love these. They're, I'd say, almost a black and beige color to it. I don't have anything like it. This little split hem there at the bottom. I could, depending on the length, maybe be able to wear these with heels. I'm 3 items in, and so far I'm loving 3 out of 3. I'm really glad I did this. I mean, nothing might fit, but so far I like it. Next, we have a skirt, a black and white skirt. I'm trying to figure out what this pattern is on it. I guess maybe those are flower petals. I don't know what this pattern is. It's kind of more of a flare type skirt. I'm really not into the flare skirts, so this one is just okay. Next up, we got a pair, another pair of jeans. These are kind of more of a flare end jean. It's got something really strange with the seam. Let's see if I can show that to you. They're this kind of seam that comes across it does that on both sides. So that's different. Didn't really want mini flare jeans because frankly, I still, oh, and we got big old like rhinestone-y type things on this. This one's not a win. Just a little bit too flashy, and I don't really need any more flare jeans because I still have mine from a decade ago. Next up, we've got a pencil skirt, which I really like. It is a black pencil skirt with little white dots on it. Looks like it has kind of a little bit of a slight flare at the end, so that should be really cool to try on. Next, we have another skirt, and this one is not a winner. This has a lot of woven colors into it. It's very colorful. Again, kind of more of a flare type skirt, which I'm not really into right now. That one, not a fan. And then we have an express blazer. I have been looking at beefing up my blazers, so we'll see how that fits. Next up, we've got another pair of dress pants. These may be actually more of a capri. Yeah, this looks like a capri rolled bottom. I'm not really into capris, but who knows, maybe it'll look amazing. Then we have this black and white top tank here. I think this is really cute. Has kind of a cinch waist here, and I think this is a really great top to wear to work. That's very cute. And then we have this black top. Again, kind of a sleeveless, maybe slight cap sleeve black top. I have one similar to this and I wear it a lot, so it might be nice to have something that's a little bit different. So that's very cute. Next, we have this kind of ruffle front t-shirt, I would say. I mean, it's a simple gray t-shirt, but then has these layers of kind of ruffle ribbons, I would say. So that's cute. Then we have another pair of jeans. A nice pair of skinnies, so we'll see how those look when they're on. Next up, we have another pair of black dress pants. Again, kind of more of a boot cut dress pant. Not really so into that. So again, we'll see once I get it on. And then finally, last piece, we have a pair of khaki dress pants. Again, kind of a, I don't even know if these are full dress pants. These seem awfully short, but maybe they're petite and I'm short, so we'll see. Again, just not really so into that. Seems more like a wide leg type situation. I would say more than 50% of these items I'm really excited about. Frankly, I don't want to be excited about all 10, 15 items because I'm not going to buy that much. That's just way too much. Being excited about 50% of these items is a good percentage. So let's start trying this all on. First up, we have the pencil skirt and this cinch waist top. The top I don't love because I think it just kind of sits weird up front here, and I just don't love it. It doesn't feel like it's super great quality. Has a kind of a raw hem on the end. It's just okay. But this skirt is officially my new favorite pencil skirt. I love it. It feels like great quality. It fits great. It's not too tight. It's just kind of the perfect pencil skirt. So far so good. I love this. Next up, we have the dress pants that I originally thought were capris, but really they're more of a cuffed ankle pant. And they fit okay. They fit fine. It's just kind of okay. I can't give anything better than that. It's just a little bit loose all around and just okay. And then the top, this would have been a winner. I love the style of it, but these arms are way too long, and that's a disappointment because otherwise this would have been a winner. So, next outfit. Next up, we have this skirt. It fits fine. I'm just not in love with it. This t-shirt, it's cute. It's nothing all that special. If it's cheap enough, I'll probably get it. It'll just depend on the price. So all I have left is bottoms to try on, so I'm just going to keep this top on for the rest of the try-ons. So let's go. This skirt is another no for me. It fits fine. I don't have a problem with how it fits. It's just not my style. These pants, they fit really great. I really like them from the knee up. Again, they're more of a straight leg type dress pants, which I'm looking for a more skinny type dress pants. So these are probably not a keeper, but they fit well, they feel good. Okay, these khakis are too small. I actually do not have them zipped all the way up because I couldn't. And again, more of a boot cut type on them, so not really into them. Okay, I ended up finding another top to try on. Also had this blazer, which probably should have put something lighter on underneath it so you could have seen the blazer, but the blazer's not a button front, which is the type of blazer I've been interested in, is finding one that is not button. It's fitted, it feels good. I really like the blazer a lot, so I think this is going to be a keeper. The top, again, this fits well as well, and I think it's really cute. I like it a lot. Just a cool normal black shirt to pair with a pair of dress pants like these. I really like these pants. My biggest issue is they are a little long, but I think if I pair with some heels, since there is the slit at the end, I think these are going to be perfect with some heels on. So I really, all three of these pieces really like. Next up we have these skinny jeans. They were like 10 miles too long, so I did have to cuff the bottoms of them. They're low rise. They're comfortable enough. These are just okay. There's just nothing really special about them. So I've got two more pairs of jeans to try on. Next up we have the flare jeans. They're low rise. They got these awful rhinestone thingies on them, and then this weird twisted seam thing. These, awful. I hate these. Okay, next up, this is the last pair of jeans. They have a whole lot of stretch to them, so they're very comfortable. They're very soft. I could probably sleep in these. They're more of a mid-rise, I would say, and I think they're very cute. These ones, if the price is right, I would definitely keep them. Okay, time for the recap. Okay, so it's actually been a couple of days since I went through and tried on all the items in the goodie box. I wanted to update you guys on what I decided to keep. So I did decide to keep the pencil skirt. I've worn it already. I love it. It's fantastic. So super excited about it. I did keep the black sleeveless top. Again, I've worn it already. Very cute. And the dress pants, the skinny dress pants with the slit in the bottom. I just think these are really cute, and I am very pleased with these. I debated about the blazer because I did really like it, and it wasn't the price that deterred me because, you know, that's an amazing price for a blazer. Just, the fit of it was just not completely my favorite. The sleeves were a little bit long, and I didn't love it enough to keep it. So, but I'll say, my first experience with a goodie box was fantastic. I just had a blast opening up. I had a lot of things in there that I liked. I found some really great items that I am excited about, and I have already ordered my next goodie box. So I can't wait to see what I get. I did try to switch it up a little bit in what I asked for. When you fill out the goodie box survey, you do specify what categories of stuff you want, so you can put in 1 to 4 categories. In categories, I mean like pants, shorts, tops, things like that. So I did switch that up a little bit, kind of put some specific things I'm looking for that I sent to the stylist. We'll see what happens, but I can't wait. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe below and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I post. Okay, thanks. Bye.